We're going to explain how to create a new folder in SharePoint. There are several ways to do this, depending on whether you're using the classic SharePoint experience or the modern SharePoint experience. Let's go through both. 1. Using the modern SharePoint experience. In the modern SharePoint interface, navigate to the library or document set where you want to add the folder. You'll usually see a button or link that says New or has a plus symbol. Click it. You'll often see several options like Folder, Document, Image, etc. Select the Folder option. A box will appear asking you to name your new folder. Type the name you want, making sure it's descriptive and relevant to the files you'll be storing within it. Once you've typed the name, press Enter or click the Create button. Your new folder is now ready for you to add files. 2. Using the classic SharePoint experience. In the classic view, locating the New option might be slightly different. You might find it on the ribbon at the top of the page, or it could be a link in the main view of your document library. Look for options like New Folder or a button with a folder icon. Once you find it, click it. A dialog box will open where you'll be prompted to enter the folder's name. Type the name and click OK or Create. Your new folder will appear in the document library's view. 3. Important considerations. When naming folders, use clear and concise names. Avoid using special characters, except hyphens or underscores in some cases, but always check your SharePoint-specific settings. Keep names relatively short to improve readability and prevent truncation in the display. Follow any naming conventions established by your organization to maintain consistency across the SharePoint site. 4. Creating subfolders. Once you've created a folder, you can easily create subfolders within that folder using the same New or Plus button method described above. Simply navigate into the newly created folder and then repeat the process. This allows you to create a hierarchical structure for better organization of your files. Think of it like creating folders on your computer's hard drive. This allows you to nest folders within folders for better categorization. 5. Troubleshooting. If you encounter problems creating a folder, ensure you have the necessary permissions to create content within the specific SharePoint library. Contact your SharePoint administrator if you suspect permissions are the issue, or if you encounter any unexpected errors. Remember, the exact steps and visual elements may differ slightly depending on your version of SharePoint and your organization's customizations, but the underlying principles remain the same.